Great Outdoors. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you people who like to do it yourself, whether you're a wood carver professional or you're just a novice like me. Sometimes the tools that you buy, you guys, like the hammers and stuff, let's say you want to you've purchased a hammer. Sometimes the stuff don't work just exactly the way that you want it to, or it's not ergonomic enough for you. This one right here, I made this one myself, you guys. It's made out of a solid piece of maple and a piece of ash for a handle. It's really for heavy work. This one, I'm sure, is a store-bought one somebody bought years ago, you guys. Or that's what it looks like. And it's just made out, it looks to me like it's made out of just a simple piece of maple with a maple handle. But sometimes it just don't fit your hand the way you want it to. So the way to cure that, you guys, is take and make you one that works for you. So in this video, I'm showing you how to make your own personal mallet that works for you. Guys, this right here is a piece of dogwood that I cut sometime this spring when I was doing some yard work. Dogwood is very dense and makes a very good hammer. Other than that, around here, you guys, I would take and make it out of a piece of beech. Okay, you guys, fits really good. You know, everybody's hands not the same. I got big old hands. Some people have little hands. Make your own hammer to fit your own hands, you guys. And that's the way you do it. And chisels, especially expensive chisels, guys, come with some really delicate handles on them. So, you know, we've always grabbing up a big old metal hammer and just hammering away at the chisel, and you destroy the back of it. Make you a nice wooden mallet to have, guys, to do your woodwork with. Thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless you. Have a great day.